In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Map to Hubspot content in Hubspot. We'll walk through the entire process from grabbing your map in Google Maps to embedding it directly on your Hubspot page so visitors can easily see your location without leaving your site. First, let's get the embed code from Google Maps. Open Google Maps in your browser and search for the address you want to display. This could be your office, a store, a venue, or any location you need people to find. Make sure the pin is placed correctly and that you're looking at the right place on the map. Once you have the correct location, look for the Share option. When the sharing window opens, you'll see different ways to share the map. Switch to the tab labeled Embed a Map. Here, you'll see a preview of the map along with some size options. You can leave the size as the default for now. You can always adjust it later with some basic styling if needed. Below the preview, you'll see some HTML code. Click the button that says Copy HTML. This copies the full embed code to your clipboard, and this is what we'll paste into HubSpot. Now let's place that map into your HubSpot content. Open the page you want to edit in the HubSpot editor. Give the page a moment to load, and then look at the left sidebar. Click the Add icon, which looks like a plus symbol. This opens the list of modules you can add to your page. In the search bar, type Rich Text, then drag the Rich Text module onto the area of the page where you want the map to appear. Once it's in place, click directly on that module to open its toolbar. This toolbar gives you options to format text, but it also allows you to insert code. At the top of the toolbar, click Insert, then choose Embed. Depending on your HubSpot setup, you may instead need to go to Advanced and then click Source Code. Both options will let you paste HTML directly into the module. Paste the Google Maps embed code you copied earlier into the box that appears, then confirm by clicking Insert or Save. You should now see a preview of your Google Map inside the editor. If everything looks good, go to the top right of the screen and click Update or Publish to make your changes live. Your Google Map is now successfully added to your